Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a second pair that we got from Nike. This is Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air. It's a racer blue color. So my size got this in size 8.5. And let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys to check it out. So it says Nike is offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. Please help us by recycling this cotton. So here's the invoice, and you could return within 30 days after you receive it. So like always, I'm going to show you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Got the Nike and then Swoosh logo. You got the registered trademark, two of them right here. One over here, one over there. And same goes on the side panel right here. And it says 1985 Air Jordan 1. And there's another Nike with the Swoosh logo right here on the opposite side. And here's a size label. So yeah, be sure to check out the UPC code right here. And it should say it's Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air CK6637104. It's a white racer blue. And USA size 8.5, Euro size 42, UK is 7.5, CM is 26.5. And be sure to check out this retail price right here, MSRP, $175. There's a hole right here. So let's go ahead and check out the bottom real quick. And this is made in China. You got the upside down. And right here you have the swoosh in red. And then a swoosh logo right here in red as well. And then on the top right there, there's a registered trademark. And you have this black sticker. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I got another Nike swoosh right here. And there's a stamp of the number, probably for the quality control. And then you got the swoosh logo right there. And then there's a dimension right there for the lid. So you got this like a reddish color lace, and it is glossy tip. And then you have an additional one. This is white lace, and right here is like a shiny glossy gray color on the surrounded by the toe box. Also on the side panel and around the eye stay area where the lace system goes. There's your zoom tag right here in black. Then there's your Nike swoosh. So on the back right here by the heel curve, it is like a clear. And there's another swoosh logo right here. And this one has a little bit darker tint to it. Maybe because of the baby blue right here on the fabric. It looks darker somehow. And inside right here, you got the royal blue color. Let me turn on the flash so we can see more inside in better detail. All right, there you go. And this is pretty padded. So it is very comfortable wrapping around your foot. And also on the tongue right here, it is pretty plush. I'm not sure this is reflective or not on this silver part. It says made in China. Guarantee quality. And then on the front, you got the Zoom switch logo and then Air. There's your toe box. So on the wing logo right here, it is 3M reflective. And also on this part right here, it is 3M reflective. Let's go and take out the shoe tree. This is a shoe tree right here. It says A to A.5 or F-AL. And then you got the recycle symbol right there. Also recycle symbol right here. That's in Chinese. 纸 mean paper. So inside the insole right there, you got the men's size A.5 sticker and Zoom with the swoosh logo and then Air. So with this insole, you cannot remove it. It is glued in. Let's go and then check out the size label right here. And then look for the manufacture date and then the UPC code right there. In case you guys want to look at the stitching. So look at the bottom of the outsole right here. So you got this like ice blue clear wrapping around the outer, wrapping around the border right here. And then you got this like a pinkish color, and then purple right here, and then royal color. Oh, so I'm not sure if this is a letter N or Z. At first I thought it was like a letter N for Nike. Maybe it's a Z for Zoom. And then you got the Nike Switch logo right there. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out the other shoe. This one right here. So as you can see, it is 3M reflective. It's pretty shiny. Check out the toe box again. So again, right here is 3M reflective right here on this tab. Then you got the same sticker. Oh, I forgot to mention on the tip of this is royal blue color for the white lace. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.